Hello children, I Sarika Gupta, class teacher of LKG, welcome you all in the online class of Divine Public School. Hope you all are healthy. Today I'll teach you English. In previous videos you have learned how to write capital A to Z. Now I am going to teach you how to write small cursive A, B, C and D. This is small cursive A. A for ant, A for apple, A for arrow, A for aeroplane. This is small cursive B. B for boy, B for ball, B for balloon, B for banana. Now small cursive C. C for cat, C for cup, C for car, C for candle. This is small cursive D. D for dog, D for doll, D for duck, D for drum. Now we will write A, B, C and D in English copy. This is your English copy and 4 lines are here. We always start writing small cursive from 3rd line. So put your pencil on 3rd line. Here draw a slanting line up to the 2nd line. Make a curve. Now come back on the 3rd line. Make a circle. Set it on the 3rd line. Then raise it up a bit. This is a small cursive A. Again draw a slanting line up to the 2nd line. Curve it. Come back on the 3rd line. Make circle. Set it on the 3rd line and raise it up a bit like this. This is a small cursive A. Curve. Make like this. This is A. Again we will write this way. You will write a small cursive A. Like this. A. A. This way you will write A. Complete this page. We will write B. So put your pencil on 3rd line. Make a slanting line up to the top line. Move from the back. Cut the 2nd line and come to the 3rd line. Touch it on the 2nd line. Make a loop and again touch it on 2nd line. This is small cursive B. Again, make a slanting line up to the top line. Move from the back. Come on the third line. Now touch the second line. Make a loop and again touch on second line. This is a small cursive B. Like this. This is a small cursive B. Like this. Again we will write B small cursive B. This way you will write B and complete this page. Now a small cursive C. So put your pencil on third line. Draw a slanting line up to the second line. Make a curve. Set it on the third line and raise it up like this. This is small cursive C. Draw a slanting line, curve, come back on the third line and raise C. Like this. Write one more line with me. Small cursive C. You also write like this. Now we will write a small cursive D. Again put your pencil on third line. Draw a slanting line up to the second line. Curve it. And from here draw a slanting line up to the top line. Come back on the third line. Set it here and raise it up a bit. Like this. This is a small cursive D. Again C. Curve it. Draw a slanting line up to the top line. Come back on the third line. Set it here and raise it up a bit. Like this. This is a small cursive D. Like this. Small cursive D. This is a small cursive D, and you also write like this. Your today's homework is write one page A, one page B, one page C and one page D in your English copy. Thank you.